All right, guys, day 2 inside. There's my buddy's truck right there. We'll get pictures of that. Day 2 inside the Street Ride Nats in York, PA. Yesterday was a freaking amazing day. So day 2 is coming. We're on the front row. Let me show you right here. This is us over here. I'll show you. This is my peoples right here. All these cars right here. And we're on the front row. This is the main drag, so everything that comes and goes. We got Tracy and Bobby today that wasn't with us yesterday, but this is the front row, and we get to see everything that comes and goes. So should be a great day as well. I'm gonna try to drop videos today. I'm gonna try to at least get 2 of them out of here soon. And there you go. Andy and Sue, beautiful Willies, beautiful Nova, Mike's Willies, Keith's 29. Hell yeah. All right, let's get this day rolling. All right, we got George Waters right there from Slumlord. Go check out his page. I'll put a link in it. He's out here working. So let's get some cars rolling in here and check it out. They're all rolling in. This is the front row. Hell, the lot's already starting to fill up. This place is so big. I mean, it goes clean around the corner. Just so much. We're going to try to get some more of that over there today. Right now, I just want you to check out what's rolling through the door. Ah, beautiful 55. Nice old Ford truck. Ah, look at the wheel color. Oh, look at that. I love them wheels on that. What do you think? Sweet. That's cool. Nice color. We got us a Willys. Woohoo! Look at the fat tires on that. Couple Chevelles coming in here. I'm telling you, this is a lot of street rides in here, but we do have our muscle in here, man. Sound good? Beautiful bar top. Zoom. Fastest thing on the lot. Hey, hey. Right, check out the flames on the side of this car. Hope the camera picks it up. Yep. And look at this beautiful C10. Hell yeah. Oh man. Great news. Kevin got the truck ready. And he's at the show, boy. Right here. Look at that. That was a beautiful little Henry J. Chasing muscle cars. You see that shit? All right. Here comes our boy Sean. Oh, he got the beautiful wife with him today. All right, we'll get a different view. Over there's the swap beat. Car corral. Oh, a nice orange. Got us an old sedan coming right there. Look at that. That's awesome. Oh man, right here we got the Burnout King. I think that's him. Is it? Is it? No, it's not, but that's an awesome little car right there. I call him the Burnout King because one of my videos, he was in there doing a burnout down at Marina Deck in Ocean City. Doing a hell of a burnout. Alright, so the lot's filling up quick. Still early. Today is going to be the big day, though. It's going to be packed in here. I mean, yesterday was amazing. How many cars were in here and how many people. But that was a Friday. So today, Saturday, it's going to blow up. We're heading over here right now to check out my buddy Steve's car. Beautiful Nova. Just got it, making it his own though. Oh, revving her up. So let's go check out his car. got the amps backers here. Yep. Amps backers. Beautiful cars. Beautiful cars. All right. I think they might have just been notified that day one. Well deserved too. Yep, I'm pretty sure they just got notified that day one. Awesome, right there. Congrats, Steve. That bad boy, we're gonna find him and we're gonna check him out a little bit more later. Oh, wait a minute, we might get more of them right now. Yes, oh no. Daggone it, that's a luck of the draw. We'll search his ass out. All right, we're looking at a buddy of ours, sweet truck. Look at that, nice. Love that color. Then we got the Chevelle, the Monte Carlo. Jeez, too many cars, man, too many cars. It's beautiful, very well taken care of. And then let's go up here and see Steve's car. All right, we got a patinaed up wagon. Look at that. I love that patinaed up wagon. Ain't that sweet? And then here we go. Steve's awesome friggin' Nova. Just put them wheels on. I love the look of that, man. He is making this thing his own for sure. Clean, nice. I ain't gonna lie, I saw this thing, I was up for sale. I was really interested in it, but I couldn't be more happy for this dude to get this car. Yeah, I posted it, that I was interested in it, and he said, "You know the guy." So, but I didn't get it. It was no, he didn't beat me. He wanted it. Oh, pardon me.
Oh, you're fine. He's one of the few that do know what you want. Okay.
Sweet. All right, we've seen this badass before. Look at that. Sportback. Just a cool little car, ain't it? That's the guy. All right. Look, ain't that cool? All right, we finally caught off this dude, right? Oh, look at Ryan and his crew over there. Oh, man. Awesome. Got the t-shirt line is booming already this morning. And the eatery, everybody's having breakfast. Just hit the die-cast table, setting up for beer over there. Starting off good.
Thank our official product companies of the National Street Rod Association. Gorgeous and sturdy.
Hey, what's up, brother? Morning, buddy. All right, guys, I want to give you a little background on this truck. So this truck belongs to a guy named Isaiah. He's a 31-year-old guy, and he's a super cool dude. Well, he's been coming to this show for 29 years. Started out with his grandfather, who eventually moved to Florida, and then since has passed. So this is the first year that he has brought his own truck in here. And he did a lot of this work, if not all of the work himself. So congratulations, the truck got the love and respect that it deserves. He was unsure about it, but everybody took to it very well. It's a nice truck. So congrats, Isaiah, and glad to see you carrying on this tradition of coming to the show.
Alright guys, here we are up with all the winners. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. There's a lot of people up here walking around. So we'll just do a quick walkthrough of what do we have.
Randy, hello. Randy. Hello. Are you connected to this car? Yes, it's my husband's.
Hey, how are you?
Sorry I'm going kind of quick, but just want to give you guys a quick view of the winners. And then I'm sure we'll get a video of everybody driving down on the track to get their awards. Sorry, there's lots of people up here. What they have them do is once they're chosen and during the weekend they're pulled up here in a roped off area. Just the winners are allowed in here, so these are all winners. And then they have them line up and they take them down the racetrack, down the horse track here at the on the field. Here's Dave Ness. And then they each stop in front of the stage and are presented their award.
I know, I see the card here.
We haven't seen a person by the car at all. I told Teresa.
Just trying to do a quick video so everybody can see. Again, it's kind of hard walking through here. There's a lot of people. Stevie M. Spacker. that's it for the winners up here in Winter Circle.
Rock and Roadshow, I want you to put your hands together for the guy that did the hard work here making this all happen. Special Events Director, did I get that right? Tom Wilkerson, give it a big hand for him, please.
And then up next, Explore York, which is our organization. We get to pick our favorite every year as well. This is Lloyd Livingston from Thomasville, Pennsylvania, and he is in a 1969 green Chevy Camaro. It is gorgeous. It's supposed to have green on it, it's black, but it is gorgeous. I did not, but I would like to.
1933 Willys Coupe, black with flames. That's a beautiful paint job. First, before we get a chance to get to them. Their next pick is the late model. This is entry number 385, Karen David Ness from Dallastown, Pennsylvania, with a 1960 Chevrolet station wagon, fawn in color.
Dennis Waltmeyer presenting the award.
Pick is entry number 1434, Dennis Sean Strobel, Birch Run, Michigan, a 1915 Ford F1 blue-gray. I don't know if you saw it or not. I think this is the truck that's on the cover of Truck Magazine this month. What a beautiful truck. We're at the safety pick. Was picked by our North Central Division Director, Mr. Jim Rose. He picked entry number 2301.
Steve Ames.
Feature of Glen Rock, Pennsylvania, a 1948 Plymouth red. Our street scene pick this year, Mr. Louis Mayhall was out. You see him running around all over the fairgrounds all weekend. He settled on entry number 2300, Jason Ampreacher, Georgetown, Pennsylvania, with a 1974 Dodge Challenger.
All right, and that's a wrap. Everybody's packing it up, and what a great show that was. We'll see you next year.